The chairs are on the tables. The floor has been swept. It's closing time and I'm a little tired. It's a long time since I'd slept. But things are moving forward. I'm ready to move on. Heading for a brand new start at the break of dawn. Here I come, you better watch out. You better beware, the rumor is out. Nothing can stop me, I'm going for gold. I'm out of the dark.
Hola, ¿cómo anda la gente? Bueno, acá estamos de nuevo. Videíto de la Lucila. Muy para la gente de la Lucila. También para que lo conozcan un poquito los que no son. Pero la idea es filmar toda la Lucila. Desde arriba. No es muy grande, así que es cortito. Pero es para que puedas encontrar tu lugar ahí. Dónde vivís o dónde parás. Dónde alquilás. Así que no voy a hablar. Y voy a dejar pasar este video para que encuentres tu lugar en la Lucila.
Getting closer. Yesterday is gone. A destination nowhere. I travel on my own. Here I come. You better watch out. You better beware. The rumor is out. Nothing can stop me. I'm going for gold. I'm out of the dark. I'm out of the cold. Here I come. You better watch out. You better beware. The rumor is out. Nothing can stop me. I'm going for gold. I'm out of the dark. I'm out of the cold. Here I come. You better watch out. You better beware. The rumor is out. Nothing can stop me. I'm going for gold. I'm out of the dark. I'm out of the cold.
Alright. The sky is blue, the sun is high. Sitting here on my own. I think of you, you're on my mind, you know. To me that's alright. Green grass on my neighbor's lawn. The sky is blue, the sun is high. Sitting here on my own. I think of you, you're on my mind, you know. To me that's alright. Green grass on my neighbor's lawn. Maybe I should take a stroll. And to me that's alright. To me, that's alright. I spend my days just dreaming about you. Well, now that's just what I will do. I'm telling you, the sky is blue, the sun is high. I'm sitting here on my own. I think of you, you're on my mind, you know. To me that's alright. Green grass on my neighbor's lawn. Maybe I should take a stroll. And to me that's alright. the sun is high. I'm sitting here on my own. I think of you, you're on my mind, you know. To me that's alright. Green grass on my neighbor's lawn. Maybe I should take a stroll. And to me that's alright. To me that's alright. I spend my days just dreaming about you. Well, now that's just what I will do. I'm telling you, the sky is blue, the sun is high. I'm sitting here on my own. I think of you, you're on my mind, you know. To me that's alright. Green grass on my neighbor's lawn. Maybe I should take a stroll. And to me that's alright. You know, to me that's alright. You know, to me that's alright.
I leave what's left of last night behind, and I need to get some peace of mind. And when I need some peace of mind, I know where to find it is by the end of the road. And so I walk, and I keep on walking, though the shoes I wear are a mess. Yes, I walk, 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 and I keep on walking till I'm at the end of the road. I leave what's left of last night behind, and I need to get some peace of mind. When I need some peace of mind, I know where to find it by the end of the road. So I walk, and I keep on walking, though the shoes I wear are a mess.
Bueno, gente, espero que hayan podido encontrar acá su lugar en el mundo, su casa de alquiler, el lugar donde jugaban cuando eran chicos, no sé, lo que les guste de la Lucila, ya que fue una toma paneo y panorámica muy grande. Así que bueno, suerte. Si les gustó, no se olviden de dejarme un like, no se olviden de compartirlo con sus amigos que van a la Lucila, los que nos van también así la conocen, de ponerme una suscripción, que siempre viene bien. Así que les agradezco mucho. Les mando un gran abrazo a todos mis amigos de la Lucila. Nos vemos el próximo.
Gotta be careful not to get stuck. And so I walk, and I keep on walking, though the shoes I wear are a mess. As I walk, 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 and I keep on walking till I'm at the end of the road. And so I walk, and I keep on walking, though the shoes I wear are a mess. As I walk, 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 and I keep on walking till I'm at the end of the road.